So sir, what's the best response aside from of course the usual diplomatic protest or note verbal and so on down the line? What's the best way to address the situation?
Well, yung first muna, kailangan mo ng paradigm shift yan eh. Kasi nangyari, we are reacting always to yung stimuli, which is kung ano man yung ginagawa ng China dyan sa Bao de Masinloc. No? We need to be more proactive in terms of yung posturing. So, ano ba yung minimum na gusto natin mangyari dyan? Kasi recovering Scarborough Shoal under current conditions, medyo stretch yun, medyo mahirapan tayo kasi may capacity issues tayo. But at the minimum, we should be preventing a permanent setup dyan sa Scarborough Shoal. So minimum dyan is i-challenge natin yung dahil sinabi mo Manong Ed, kailangan natin i-challenge yung presence nila eh. Kailangan natin i-probe yung yung 30 nautical mile buffer one ship at a time. Para lang hindi kasi right now open field siya. Again, parang basketball yan eh. Wala kang players doon sa court. So, ibig sabihin, default, panalo yung kabilang team. So, we need, kahit isang player lang ipadala mo dyan, at least to challenge yung presence nila from time to time. But, over an extended period of time, dapat medyo sustained patrol na. Kasi yung nangyari, nakadepende tayo dun sa yung MCA, yung Maritime Cooperative Arrangement type of patrols na kasama yung America or other partners. Ang kailangan natin dito is we need to increase yung unilateral patrol natin, be it Navy o Coast Guard, na pumapatrolya din dyan. Lalo na dapat yung situation is pumipwesto sila between Scarborough Shoal at saka Hainan. Kasi yung lines of communication o supply line ng Scarborough is dependent yan sa province of Hainan, yung island province of Hainan. So yung patrolya mo dapat, gigitnaan mo yun para ma-monitor mo yung labas-pasok ng mga barko nila na sumusuporta dyan sa activities nila dyan sa Scarborough Shoal.
May indication ba, Admiral, na gagawin yan ng ating mga defense forces? Dahil very basic naman yan eh. Hindi nga kinakailangan pag-usapan yan eh. Dapat natural yan na gagawin na natin.